This episode will be about my past. Many of you know, and even more don't know at all. In 2009 I moved to the Philippines forced by world crisis, and it was really tough time. With only $500 in my pocket and some hopes. Next 6 months me and Laura lived from this money, and we learned what pawn shop is. We left in a pawn shop all Laura's jewelry, and it helped us to survive for the next 6 months until first divers group arrived. To get attention on me and the place I am, I did my first swim April 2010. That time I wasn't a professional swimmer, and I'm still not, but I did something I felt, something I have to do. Was it easy? Definitely no. It was like a kind of, it wasn't really a panic, but it was something I felt I need to do. I got a lot of attention from that swim, from media, from the people, and I became so popular. And that actually helped the place where I am, and it made me visible. It was a really good idea to do it. So that's why, to keep going, even I didn't need it that much. 2013 I did a swim from Bohol to Cebu. So this one is the second day. I'm here in Pangasinan Island. It's like in a jellyfish lake in a Palau. To promote tourism in the Philippines. In that point, after the world crisis, it was still weak, and I really wanted to help local tourism. And through the local tourism, it would help also the people in my area and the Philippines at all. I swam from Cebu to Negros and back to promote tourism again, and to tell people that there is a place like Moalbol with a lot of tourism attractions and a really good diving.
At hindi lang niya ito basta lalanguyin ng balikan. Sa kanyang tansya, 16 na oras o halos isang buong araw niya itong lalanguyin. Kayanin kaya niya?
2017, I moved to the Indonesia, and doesn't matter what I did in the Philippines, no one know me here, and I started everything from zero again. No one really needed me, and I came up with my own projects to become visible and to get some job at all. Thank you to the people who helped me in it. Without you, I would not be able to do what I'm doing at the moment. But what I'm trying to tell you is I came up all this way to the mountains. I spent around 30 minutes sweating to tell you that you have to do something to make something happen. This is not the motivation video, it's just to tell you what I did to be where I am. This is the first time I prepared the script. Usually my speeches is 100% improvisation, but this felt really important, so that's why I've been prepared. Now we are here, and I have a feeling that many of us are lost and ready to throw this year into the trash bin and wasting this precious time of your life staying at home, eating and playing video games. Don't take it too personally, just my thoughts, my personal thoughts, and that's what I've been thinking today and other days. Or actually, to be honestly, I've been thinking about this since all this quarantine madness started. It's like a kind of announcement for my nearest future plans. I just will tell you something, that I'm actually going back to swimming, and I haven't been swimming for a really long time, and the reason for that was that I've been busy surviving here in Bali. This last 4 years been really tough, and I started to feel kind of comfortable, and we did really well last year, and there was a really big hopes for this year that we will finally get out on the zeros. There is one thing I can tell you, that uncomfortable situations makes you move, and comfort is really bad for any of us. We need comfort for, time after time, but if it's too much comfort, that's not good. Okay, see you tomorrow again. Bye.